Okay, let's start. Our exam documents are here. We have these exam questions, reference books, and tools. In the reference books, okay, we need to go here. Python exam documents, reference book. Yeah, this non-programmer tutorial, this Python 101, and classic Python tutorial. There is a HTML version of it, but we don't need most probably. And here tools, you had some extra tools, but let me use this only Notepad++. It doesn't matter so much. Then exam questions. And let's see. There we have this HTML version. Also, we have this Markdown version. It is a text version if you want to copy paste. Let's start with the first. Make a backup copy of the exam question folder before starting the exam. If you make a mistake, it will be easier to return back to your backup copy. Okay, let's go backup copy, and let's rename this one. Okay, then I will start from this one and try to solve the questions here. Okay, yeah. Every question is worth 10 points. Question difficulty increase with question number. Look at the question wrong arguments by file. Make a copy of this file, answer wrong arguments. I am copy pasting this one. First of all, question wrong argument. Where is question wrong argument? Question wrong argument here. Let's make a copy. Make a copy this file, answer Python. Let me copy, and this one. Let's rename this one as this. Okay. Open as CMD. Go to this folder. Okay, and here Python. Did I no answer wrong arguments by? I should say it's I copy pasted the second one. Let me fix this one, and let's see. Open this answer also. And where is this one? Answer here. Okay, and we have this problem. Let me quit this one. Python answer. Yeah, the function error. Non-default argument follow default argument. If you remember from our discussions, these default arguments can only be at the later stages. The expected answer this one, but you have some of the other results you have shown me, like this one and the others. I will accept all of them since I did not put some example callings of this function so that you will find this one. Therefore, any answer which preserves three arguments and compiles is good enough for me. Okay, second one, compile problem. Look at the question tree command files, make a copy of the answer tree command. Let's see, question tree command. Let's see, and make this one as an answer tree command. Okay, answer tree command, and it's answer tree command. Let's put it again this here, and it says that fix the compile problems of this program. They are only simple, most of them one-char problems in this program. A necessary character is missing or need to be replaced. Let's see, Python answer tree command. Okay, invalid syntax, indentation count. Let's see, print folders. Yeah, if there is an equals here, I need to either replace this one with this, or it says indentation count. I should put a number here, for example, 0. Okay, continue, line 8. In line 8, yeah, if I am using this one, name, Okay, then where is the end of this char? If I am putting this one, I should also need to replace this one. Okay, then maybe so this one. If yeah. Okay, then I also need to put this one. Indentation count. Yeah, any if else should finish with this one. Line, local variable line is line equals to name. Yeah, here I think I should put not an equal since this one is not a equation, but it is actually this. And after it works. Then what was the wrong parts? I need to put something, a number here, since this equals is missing. I need to put this square brackets is forgotten. I need to put this one. I need to change this one to the here double columns, and I also need to replace this double equals with equals. That's it. Okay, then let's see the question 3. Compile and logical problem. Look at the question born file. Make a copy file, answer born year. Let's say question born year. And let me copy it as an answer born year. Okay. This one. And I need to put this answer born year to here. Okay. Then it says fix the compile and logical box of this program. When the code is fixed, it should give an output similar to following. Please enter your age. Hello, you were born in 1973. For 43, it should give 97. Let's see, first of all, Python answer born year. Okay, let's say 43. Okay, date, time, and string. Okay, let's see what it is. We have this today. Let's see what is today. Today. Okay, we have this today. Enter your age, unsported runtime for date time and string. And we should change this date time today to a year. We need to find a year somehow. Since I have seen this today, here, this one is this, I can get this first 4 characters. How can I do that? Str today, I need to change to string, then 0 to first. I think I need to get first characters, first 4 characters. Let's print here and see if it works. Yeah, 2020, 43. Yeah, date time, and here I need to change this one to again to int, so that my and this age I also need to change this one to int, and for here I need to change this one to year. Then 43. Yeah. Oh, but I have a problem here. Born year. I need to change this one 4, and let's say born year here. Since I don't need other print statements, I can change them this way. There are some other ways of solving this one. For example, we can say that year equals to day, that year, I think. Let me see if it works. Yeah. Also, for a print statement, you could also do something like this one. Instead of this one, you can finish this one in this in the comma here, and finish this one. It will also work, and it will give the same output. Therefore, there are a couple of ways of solving: changing a string, getting these first 4 characters, seeing that this today is a something, and giving this year. And you don't know this one, but for example, we can use this IPython, let's say this one, and today dot, yeah, here we have talked about this uh, values, and here year we can see. Yes. This is the first 3 questions. Let's try. Compile and logical problem. Look at the question, print division file. Make a copy of this file, answer print division, fix the compile and logical problems of this problem. When the code is fixed, it should give output similar to following. Look at the errors, exception handling topics in your references if you do not know these problems. Question print division. Let's make first copy. Question print division. And answer print division. Okay, answer print division. Let me put this answer print division here. Okay, and let's use Python answer print division. Okay, default except must be last. Okay, the problem here, we need to have only one except. Then we have these problems here. What it says, these types are not compatible. Check your inputs. Zero division error record. Check your input. Then actually, why I should, let's say, comment out this one and run it. Okay, then it works, but always it says zero division error record. But here I am sending string, then or of course I need to have something different error here. Maybe let's say look at these files here, errors and exceptions. Make a big one, invalid syntax, exceptions. For example, zero division error. Oh, okay. Then we have this zero division error. Put this zero division error there. Since here it says zero division error, put this here. And second, can't convert distinctly type error. Okay, this one to do here. And let's run. Okay, types are not compatible. Check your inputs, zero division error record. Check your input, result 3.0. Let's see if its output is correct. Types are not compatible. Check your input. Zero division error. Check your input. Results as part no error. Results as part error. And that is the expected output. You should have put type error and zero division error to these places. And if you look at this is the first page. And a similar one is also here. If you have look at this one, importing loops, classes, function, yeah, common exceptions. Here, type error, value error, zero division error. If you have put any one of them here, it would have worked. Okay, please write a code so that you will see the output. Name your output as printing star spy. Okay, let's start. Save this one. We are in the same directory. Yeah, printing stars is here. Okay, we will, first of all, it says nothing, therefore stars rectangle with the H. Then let's do it this one. For E in range 1 to 6. Print E. Python printing stars. Okay, we have talked about this one before, and put this star star. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since I am not asking anything about getting an input and others, this is the correct answer, 2 lines of. For the others, you can look at this others. Okay, let's say question summation list comprehension. Make a copy of this answer summation with the list comprehension. Okay, question summation with the list comprehension. Okay, answer summation with the list comprehension. Let's put this one here. And put this one too again here. Okay, a list comprehension is filter number divisible by 3. And we are talking about these others. Okay, new list. Okay, let's put it first of all L1 and run this one. Python answer. Okay, but we need to put an output here and it should be okay. It should be 735. Look at the question summation list comprehension. Make a copy of this file as an answer summation with this comprehension. Write a one list comprehension so that list L1 filtered and only number divisible by 7 in the new list. I am creating a list, I am filtering this one, and I am printing the sum of the new list. Okay, let's go to the list comprehension. Here, conditional Python comprehension, list comprehension. Okay, first of all, I need to put something like here. Then let's copy paste this one. Since we already have this range, we don't need this one. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, we have this list. And it says if some error term in E, I need to put something like this one, put if, but we don't want E. What we want, if E equals 0. Int is not iterable. We don't need E. This one. Okay, 735. Let's see. Yeah, this is it. We are creating this list here as a first, then we are asking if it is divisible by 7. That's it. Filter. Let's go to 8. Yeah, question 7, 255. Write a program that prints the numbers from 1 to 100, but for multiples of 2, print 2 instead of the number, and for the multiples of 5, print 5. For the numbers which are multiples of 2, and it should be 5 here, print 10. I fixed it in the exam. Name of your Python as 2, 5, 10 as this one. Okay, let's this one. Okay, and save it to file 10. Okay, first of all, for index in range, it says 1 to 100, 1 to 101, print index. Let's see, to file 10, Python to file 10. Okay, I'm printing 1 to 100. That's good. And it says that if it is multiples of 2, print 2. Okay, let's write if index equals 0, print 2. Else print index. Okay, but it says also multiples of 5, print 5. Let's put this one also here. But since we also want to check this one, this should be Alif. Okay, 2, 5. Okay. For the yeah, what is my mistake? I need to put this one as a 5. And it should print 5. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, 1495, 9, it is printing this one. For a 2 to 10 for the 19, 5, 10. And the problem you may remember from the others, for the 90 and for the 100, as you can see, it is printing 2 since it is entering this one first. But we need to put this one first, make this one if, this others elif, since 10 is actually multiple of 2 and 5. Okay, let me put this one and run this command again, and for the this one 10, for the 90 10 2 95 5, it works correctly, and this is the answer. Okay, is a number prime? Write a function named is prime. This function return true or false according to the given number. Name your Python file that says answer is prime. Test your function with the numbers 1 to 20. Okay, let's of course create new this one, save this one, answer, it says is prime function. We need to write a is prime function. Okay, def is prime num. Okay, first of all, return false. Before we are checking this one, we will fix this one. Test your function with the numbers between 1 to 20. Let's say print 2, print 3. Okay, Python answer is prime. Okay, 2 and 3. We don't want this one is prime 2 and is prime 3. Okay, false, false. We want this one. What is the prime number? It should be divisible by only by itself and not 2, 3 or 4 anything. Then we should start for index in range 2 to number. If number is divisible by index t to 2 0, then this is not a prime. I'm returning false. But else we have in the for, we can have an else when it forces, or outside of this one, if it is not divisible by any of this number, it is a true. And here true true. Let's see. For num in range 2 to 21, print is prime num. Let's see. Yeah, and let's see, it's better this way. Okay, then 18 prime, 13 prime, 11 prime, 7 prime, 5 prime, 2, 3 prime, and 19 prime. This is the correct. Of course, instead of for this index in for in the prime, for index in range to 2 to num, we can also find this is the half of it, square root of it. There are some mathematical theorems which makes it faster, but for this one it is our purposes is good enough since this is an introduction code. Find the digits of number. Write a function named find digits which returns of a digits of a number as a list. You should either string function indexing for the equation number of mathematics. Name your file answer as find digits pi. Okay, find digits.py. Okay. Find digits pi, and I need to write a find digits function. Def find digits, and this here num. Okay, first of all, let's put it a pass so that it will compile, and example run, it should be this one. Okay, let's put this here. Okay, we have talked about this one. we can find a number of this one with this. Okay. Digit equals to number, and we can find this num 10. I am finding the last digit using this modulus operator, and I am using this integer division so that I am losing this part. What will I do here? While num greater than 0, I think, and L equals to, let's say, empty, and put this digit to L equals to L plus digit, let's say, and let's return digits, return L. Okay. Python answer, what was the name of this function? Answer, find digits. Answer, find digits. Okay, only concatenate list, not int. Then let's go to here and put this one in a list. Okay, 001 789, and our problem is our output is not expected. We need to find 1000, and this is then easy start. L equals to plus L. Yeah, 100,978,121. Let's check the output. Oh, okay, is it correct? Let me. 100,978,121. 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it is correct. And the last question, palindrome. Definition of the palindrome is the Wikipedia in the number. Please write a code that finds if a given input number is palindrome. Please find the number to test. Okay, let's write it. First of all, this is palindrome. Okay, then this here num. We need to write this def. Did I give any name? Okay, I should have given this. Okay, answer palindrome. Okay, we can use this. Okay, give some not palindrome. Please write a code that finds if a given input number is palindrome. Please not use string library function. You use the functions you have written in the find digits. It is not a problem if you use string function in the find digits. Okay, and I can come here and put this find digits here. It is the one of some more basic one. Okay, I have find digits here, and here digits equals to, or L digits equals to find digits num, and if L we can use string compression and others, but we don't need. For E equals to E in range length digits. Okay, count equals to length of digits. I am finding how many digits here. String digit comprehension, list comprehension, and checking that one also works, but this is more easier, more understandable. Let's fix it this way first. If count if digits if digits e del star equals to digits count minus 1 minus e, make it more understandable again. D1, D2. I'm getting this first and last digits. Let's say we have this 1, 1, 2, 3. I will check this one with this one. Therefore, I am saying from count the last one minus 1, since this we are using 0 index and using minus e. And e, and let us print this ones first so that we will see d1 and d2 together. If d1 equals to d2, this is not a problem. Okay, if they are not equals to each other, return false. If at the end they are equals to each other, return true. And let's try it with the sum of inputs we have talked about. Print, okay, numbers equals to and we need to put this one also. For num in numbers, print num is palindrome num. Let's check if they work. Python answer palindrome. I think this digit printing is not very good for me. True, false. Okay, it works. I'm taking last digit and first digit and printing out. But my output is not same as this. Please enter a number to test, it says. Then instead of this, checking code, let's see this one. STS equals to input. Please enter a number to test. And what will I say? That num equals to int s print if is palindrome num. If it is palindrome, I need to write this one. Then print, let's say this f. Here I need to write num. Otherwise, I need to write else is not a palindrome. Print again f statement. Finish this one. Here I need to write again no. And if I run this one, 1, 2, 3, not a palindrome, but here if we write 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 is a palindrome. And this is the end of our exam.